Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect a pendrive to OPPO A60. So of course, in order to use the pendrive, we will also need to use an adapter that converts the USB-C to USB-A. So the first thing that we need to do is plug the USB driver to the adapter, and then the adapter to the OPPO smartphone, like so. Now the next thing that we need to do is open the settings. In these settings, you want to scroll all the way down and go to additional settings, then scroll down one more time and enable OTG connection. Once you turn it on, after a few seconds you should be moved to the Files app, and over here you will find OTG. So this is the pendrive. You can also use the Files by Google. There we go. And over here you can scroll down to find the storage devices, and here you should be able to also find the pendrive. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!